guys, hello. Yep, thank you so much, and please welcome back to another episode of my channel. So guess where my next journey is? I'm sure everyone already know. It's in London, guys, finally. So I want to thank everyone so much who've been watching my videos in Cyprus. Thank you so much, guys. And yes, after Cyprus is London to explore now, guys, you know. So I am right in the heart of London Bridge right now. So which we got a lot of people down here taking pictures and taking everything. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. But thank you so much everyone who watched my videos in Cyprus. I really appreciate it. It's a big appreciation, and thank you so much, guys, and let us get into this video. So wow, so here we got ice cream. I wonder how much for one of the ice cream. Oh yeah. Let's see, how much for one of the coconut Caribbean ice cream?
3 for 1, 5 for 2.
Oh, I just want one. Can I have one, please?
Couple cone.
Can I have the Caribbean, the apple cone? Yes, go on, yes.
Cone.
Yeah, is that the best one?
What?
Oh, let's have this one. No, that's the best one, yeah. So there you go, guys. So ice cream for the price of 3.
Oh God. Huh?
I will pay by card, please.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, well now you
There we go.
Contactless.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you so much.
No worries. You'll pack it in. Just that?
Got strawberries.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Got strawberries. Got oranges. Wow. This is the shot view. So this place, guys, I mean, a lot of tourists do come to this place as well. It's here in London Bridge, guys, and it's also easy to get here as well, and it's not difficult to get here, guys. Just remember, it's London Bridge Station. So you come out London Bridge Station, and just on your right you will see it, and if you come from the underground on your left you will see, guys, and this is the shot view. I've got over 70 floors, guys, and it will cost $35 in English pounds to get up there. So I must go and check out to see if any changes. Wow, this is delicious, guys. So this was the ice cream that I brought just by London Bridge, guys, you know, just on top of the bridge. So the ice cream is a little bit pricey, to be honest with you guys. The ice cream is a bit pricey, but remember, guys, it's London, so it is going to be very expensive, guys. It's going to be very expensive, but anyway, it's worth it. It's literally worth it, to be honest with you guys. You know, so London Bridge, you know, it's one of the most famous bridge we have here in London, guys. It's known to be one of the most famous bridge, where they normally say London Bridge is falling down. But anyway, guys, let us continue through this video. So these are the tour bus you can get, guys. London Bridge. Wait for the camera, guys. Yeah, so this is the red route bus, guys. So this over here is the red route. Another bus you can tour as well, guys. You can tour on that. And it's quite busy on top of London Bridge, guys. Very busy place. It's quite a busy place. And we're going to show you guys as well Tower Bridge as well. Tower Bridge is not far from here, guys. They're next door. See? Tower Bridge is over that side. That's Tower Bridge. And over here as well, guys, there's a lot of riverboat service as well. You can get these to go to destination as well. So I will definitely go on one of them and show you guys around, guys, and show you exactly what tourists can do when they come here in London, for sure. is where I'm going to be wrapping up the vlog for today. After this long travel, guys, it's a long travel. You know, I just come in on the escalator. I got to be very careful, guys. But for everyone watching my videos, man, around the world, thank you so much, man. And also don't forget to donate towards the channel as well, guys. That's very important, and that is to help me travel around the world. So thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video. Thank you so much, guys. Signing out from London, United Kingdom. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really good price, you know. So come here in Marrakesh, guys. In Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American flag, Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.